Hey everyone, welcome to your favorite channel, Data Science with Sam, your go-to place to learn things about AI, data science, and technology. In today's episode, we're going to dive deeper into Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Whether you're a developer, a data scientist, or even an AI enthusiast, stick around as we unravel how Vertex AI is shaping the future of machine learning and AI. So what is Vertex AI? Vertex AI is a Google Cloud's unified platform for machine learning development. It brings AutoML and AI platform together into an integrated environment, which allow users to build, deploy, and scale machine learning models faster than ever. But what makes it stand out? Let's find out. The key features of Vertex AI are, it is packed with so many features that designed to simplify and enhance your machine learning projects. From pre-trained APIs for visual language and conversion to custom model training, and also bringing the AutoML capabilities, which means you are not only going to build your model on the platform, you can also enhance that capability of that model by integrating that with AutoML features and making it more productionized for real-world application. You can also call Vertex AI API to your own development platform to harness the underlying power of the LLM models. It boasts a robust MLOps toolset, making the management of machine learning models smoother. As you know that MLOps has been very crucial in order to productionize your model and allowing the real-world users to make use of it. So Vertex AI is giving you the platform to combining the model power and the MLOps features together. Now, maybe you can think about that. What are the real-world applications associated with this Vertex AI? So there are a lot of real applications for this Vertex AI. Companies in the healthcare, retail, or even finance space started using Vertex AI for model development and productionize that model for any sort of AI-related stuff in the computer vision, the language model, or even LLM space. I will not give you an example of real-world application here, but I would rather give you a walkthrough of that Vertex AI platform and show you a very small use case in a form of tutorial. So let's move on to the next stage to see how we can log into the Vertex AI and also go through a tutorial that's been already available on the platform. Let's get started with the first tutorial of Vertex AI. So this is the main Vertex AI console. I won't be able to show you each and every component of Vertex AI, but like I said, that I would definitely give you a breakdown of one tutorial. If you check at the vlog caption, you will see a step-by-step guidance of how you can connect to a Vertex AI, sign up for an account, and also utilize Google's $300 free credit in order to get started with this AI platform. So in this Vertex AI console, you will see a tutorial section. So let's click on that first. So as you can see on the right side that there are plenty of Vertex AI tutorials are available. So let's try this create a chatbot and see how Vertex AI is going to help you to build a chatbot on this platform. So first you need to click on the start, and I already create a project for myself. So now the next instruction is open the Google Cloud Console navigation menu and click Vertex AI and go to the language section. So now let's move to this left-hand side. As you can see that I'm already logged into the Vertex AI platform. So now I'm going to scroll down below to see where the language option is. This is where here. So let me click there. Now the next step is click text chat. So let me click text chat. In the model menu, select chat Bison, which is the latest template right now. So this is this model is referencing to Gemini, but I'm gonna select the chat Bison because we're building a chatbot. So obviously we have to refer to the chat Bison, chat related models. Now there are plenty of use cases that we can try. So let's see what tutorial is recommending. Design a business chatbot. In the context field, copy and paste the following. So the context field seems like it's going to give the model a context of what user is trying to, interact with them, and what user is trying to find from that chatbot. So, like for example, if you're going to ask something to ask some question to a human being, you need to make sure that you're giving a context to the person. So similarly, we need to make sure that the model understand the context before it started spitting out answer to the user. So let's copy this. The context is you're a customer service chatbot for Lola's Lollipops. You only answer customer questions about Lola's Lollipops and its products. So let me add that context over here. Now, what's the next step? Now test it out. Paste the following in the prompt input field, which is this one, and then click submit. So let me copy this. All right. So I'm asking this question, what's the weather like? So now what chatbot is saying, as a chatbot for Lola's Lollipops, I do not have ability to access real-time weather data or provide weather forecast, which is pretty expected because the context here is you only answer customer questions about Lola's Lollipops and products. So obviously, we shouldn't be asking any question related to weather. Now let's see if we can ask some relevant questions so the chatbot can answer properly. Here's one question. Do you sell soft drinks? All right, let's do that. Okay, so now chatbot is giving you a pretty bitter answer that Lola's Lollipops does not sell soft drinks because here user is trying to inquire about a certain product. So it's giving an answer based on what the Lola's Lollipops usually sell. So now the next question is, sorry, what types of sodas do you have? Do you really ask that question? Let's see if that question would be relevant for AI bot to answer. The next answer is, as a chatbot for Lola's Lollipops, I'm afraid we don't offer any types of sodas. That's also relevant question, and also AI is also going to provide you a good answer since they are not selling the product. Now let me see if we can ask any different question. But before that, we can maybe switch to a different context, like highlight our newest product, the orange creamsicle lollipop with the creamy vanilla center. So let me add that context so that if a user would ask any question about that special type of lollipops, so the bot should be able to address that. Now we are asking the bot that tell me about the type of lollipops products that you guys sell. So let me ask that question. Now, our understanding is bot should be able to provide an accurate answer since we already added that in the context. All right, now you got a very comprehensive answer from them. Lola's Lollipops are a delightful treat for all ages, handcrafted with the finest ingredients and attention to detail. So if you can read through this particular answer, you can see that the AI bot was able to accurately address the question in a better way because we provided the context to the LLM model, as well as we also asked a relevant question to the bot. So that kind of tells the story that if you're planning to build a more chatbot utilizing this chat Python model from Google Vertex AI, then you need to make sure that you're adding a proper context or you're adding a proper prompts so that the model would be able to give you an accurate answer or something that kind of match to the relevant context. So keep in mind that. Now let's click on next to see what else we need to do. So it seems like we're able to, try out our first tutorial. I won't be able to show you other tutorials because I'm keeping this vlog for a very limited time, but I'll definitely recommend you to go back to the tutorial section and, just check out all the other tutorials because I'm pretty sure this Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform has a lot of things to offer. As you can see that it also has option to try out the AutoML platform. If you're building a model, I would definitely recommend you to try out some of the AutoML features that Vertex AI offers. In my next vlog, I might cover some of the other features that Vertex AI offers through their API keys. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So that's all for today in this particular tutorial vlog. That wraps up my first vlog on Vertex AI. This platform's integrated approach to machine learning is definitely a game changer for developers and businesses alike. What are your thoughts? Are you considering Vertex AI for your next project? Like I mentioned in the previous section that I will give you another short tutorial on Vertex AI, which will show you that how you can harness Google's underlying LLM model through Vertex AI's API in order to build a text summarizer app for business or real-life use cases. So please drop your questions and insights in the comments below. And if you found this episode enlightening, give me a thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. So until next time, keep learning and keep innovating. Embrace AI for real-life good use cases. Thank you.